Do you ever struggle to keep people interested when you speak English? You start a story but then forget words, lose track of the plot, or just feel boring. Here's the truth, being fluent is not enough. If you want people to listen, remember you, or even trust you, you need to tell better stories. And the good news is, storytelling is a skill that anyone can learn. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to tell stories in English that are clear, memorable, and emotionally powerful. So let's break it down. Part 1. Why storytelling is so powerful, especially in English. In every culture, stories are how we connect. But in English, especially in global settings like interviews, presentation, or even in casual chats, a good story can make you stand out instantly. Think about it. When someone tells you, I'm hardworking, it sounds boring, right? But when someone says, there was a time I stayed up till 3 a.m. finishing a project for my team. Now that seems powerful. Stories show, not tell. They bring your English to life. Part 2. The basic structure. Here's a super simple formula that even beginners can follow. It's called the 3-part story. First, situation. Where were you? What was happening? Second, problem. What challenges or tension came up? Third, solution or feeling. What did you do? How did it end? What did you learn? Let me give you an example. Situation. Last week I missed my bus to college because I overslept. Problem. I had an important presentation that day and I thought I would get scolded. Solution or feeling. I took an auto rickshaw, just reached in time, gave the presentation, and surprisingly I got the highest score. Simple, right? It doesn't need to be dramatic movie, just real and structured. Part 3. Add emotion and details. But not too much. The secret to powerful storytelling is emotional details. But just enough. Use feeling words to bring your stories to life. For example, I was nervous, I felt so embarrassed. Also use specific details. Instead of I was late, say I reached a station at 8:03. The train left at 8. These small touches make your English more vivid and human. Part 4. Practice techniques. You don't get better at storytelling by just watching videos. You improve by doing. Here are 3 ways to practice. First, story a day journal. Write one small story every day from your life. Doesn't have to be dramatic, just real. Second, voice notes. Record yourself telling a story, then listen back and fix what sounds off. Third, story swapping with AI or even a friend. Tell a story, ask for a reaction, or use AI tools to stimulate conversation and storytelling feedback. The key is don't memorize stories. Practice naturally. And if you want to practice storytelling live with feedback, I offer one-on-one spoken English sessions perfect for improving fluency, pronunciation, and storytelling confidence. No judgment, no boring grammar, just real conversations guided by me. Check the link in the description to book your first demo session. Bonus tips for advanced learners. If you are already speaking at an intermediate or advanced level, here are 2 bonus tips. First, use pauses. A short silence adds drama and helps your listener process the story. Second, practice different tones. Don't speak in one flat voice. Be excited when telling exciting parts. Lower your voice for suspense. Remember, storytelling is part content and part performance. So let's quickly recap. Use the 3-step formula: situation, problem, solution. Add useful storytelling phrases and emotional details. Practice daily by journaling, recording, or sharing. Stories are how people connect, and if you can tell them really well, people will surely remember you.